I am going to make brownies. I'm going to make brownies from this box. On the back of the box are the directions. To make these brownies, I need a pan. This is an 8 by 8 pan. It's 8 inches by 8 inches square. I need cooking spray, canola oil, an egg, some water, a measuring cup, and a mixing bowl. I will also use a wooden spoon and a silicone spatula. The first thing I need to do is preheat the oven to 325 degrees. To preheat the oven, I'm going to press the bake button and I'm going to set the temperature down to 325 and then I will hit start. The next thing I need to do is spray the pan with cooking spray. So now I need 1/4 of a cup of water. So I have measured 1/4 of a cup of water. I'm going to pour this into the mixing bowl. Now I need 1/3 of a cup of oil. So I'm going to pour 1/3 of a cup into this measuring cup. This measures 1/3 of a cup of oil. I will now pour the oil into the mixing bowl. Now I will crack this egg and add it to the mixing bowl. I will use a whisk to mix the egg, the water, and the oil together. Next, I will add the brownie mix to the mixing bowl. I will use these scissors to cut open the bag. Next, I will use this wooden spoon to stir everything together. Now that I've stirred everything together, I'm going to use this silicone spatula to pour the batter into the pan. I can use the spatula to scrape down the sides of the mixing bowl. The oven is now set to 325 degrees. So when I look at the back of the box, it says for an 8 by 8 glass pan to cook the brownies for 43 to 48 minutes. This pan is made of glass. So I'm going to start cooking the brownies for 43 minutes. I'm putting the brownies in the oven and I'll close the oven door Alexa, set the timer for 43 minutes.
43 minutes, starting now.
Alexa, stop. Okay, the timer went off, so I'm going to use my oven mitt to get the brownies out of the oven. I'm going to open the oven and pull them out and set them on top of the stove. Now I will use this fork to see if the brownies are cooked all the way through. The fork came out clean, so the brownies are done.